Hey plant lovers, today we're talking about the best hydration for your houseplants. Now, not all water is created equal, especially when it comes to indoor gardening. Let's break it down. First, we have good old tap water. Most houseplants like pothos and spider plants are quite happy with it, but here's a tip. Let it sit out for 24 hours before using. This allows the chlorine to evaporate, making it safer for your plants. But if your tap water is hard or salty, it might leave deposits in the soil, so keep an eye on that. Moving on to distilled water, it's like giving your plants a luxury spa treatment. Perfect for sensitive plants like orchids and calatheas. Distilled water is free from minerals and chemicals, which helps prevent any nasty buildup in your soil. Rainwater, nature's gift, is fantastic for most houseplants. It's soft, chemical-free, and mimics the natural rain they'd get in the wild. Just make sure it's collected clean and you're good to go. Filtered water comes next. If you've got a Brita or something similar, use it. It removes not only chlorine but also chloramine and some minerals, making it a great choice for fiddle leaf figs and peace lilies. Now here's a fun one. Aquarium water. Yep, you heard that right. If you have a fish tank, the water you change out is packed with nutrients from fish waste, making it an excellent choice for nutrient-loving plants like ferns and palms. Just ensure it hasn't been treated with chemicals. For those of you with bonsai trees or other special cases, bottled spring water might be the way to go. It's pure and contains natural minerals, but watch out, it can be pricey if you're using it regularly. Let's not forget about our desert dwellers, succulents and cacti. They prefer less frequent watering with water that's not too hard, so tap water, rainwater, or distilled water are all good options depending on what's available in your area. Orchids. They love rainwater or distilled water to avoid mineral buildup and prefer their water slightly acidic. Fern enthusiasts aim for rainwater or filtered water to keep the moisture consistent and the humidity high. Calatheas are super sensitive to fluoride and chlorine, so distilled or rainwater is your best bet to keep them happy. And lastly, the peace lily. They thrive on consistency. Filtered water, rainwater, or distilled water will keep the soil perfectly moist without being waterlogged. A couple of general tips to remember. Always use room temperature water to avoid shocking those delicate roots, and stick to a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 5.5 to 7.0, for most indoor plants. So there you have it, folks. Understanding what type of water to use can make all the difference in your indoor gardening ventures. Share your thoughts on today's video. Why don't you join our community for more interesting plant topics? Thanks for watching.